Godot, a cross-platform, free and open-source game engine created by some pretty talented Argentine developers. It really blew up after Unity kinda shot itself in the foot. You can use Godot to make both 2D and 3D games, but I've also seen people use it to build other types of apps too.
Fun fact.
Even the Godot editor itself is made with its own engine, and it wasn't always called Godot. This engine went through a bunch of name changes before they finally settled on that. Getting started with Godot is super easy. Just head over to godotengine.org and download it. You might be surprised to hear that it's officially available for Android too. And while engines like Unity or Unreal are huge in size, Godot is just around 40 MB. For coding, it uses its own language called GDScript, but you can also use C#. If you want to use C or C++, then that's possible too using GD extension. Some cool games made with Godot include Endoparasitic, Pingo Adventure, Rot Flesh and Human Diaspora. Give them a try if you want to see what this engine can really do.